Fashion is how we express our personality to the world. It's actually a reflection of who you are, and it also gives out a signal to people what you stand for. Our clothes are an exact expression of our emotions and feelings. Suppose you woke up feeling ready for everything. The clothes that you will pick out on that day will be an exact expression of your emotions, even if you weren't consciously aware of it when you were strolling around your closet. Fashion doesn't just influence others, it also influences and reflects the wearer's mood. Don't you think so? I'll give you an example. Suppose you're going out for an interview and actually you're feeling very nervous, but you don't want others to understand that. Putting on a formal cloth in such an occasion will actually make you feel powerful and feel confident, isn't it? This beautiful blend of emotions reflecting in your style is what StyleBuddy helps you with. They exactly capture your emotions into your styling, which makes you feel happy and confident. So what are you waiting for? Just go and try out StyleBuddy's online styling consultation today.